Hello, I'm Reinhold Maytay, and this is Maytay's on the Move. I bought the RV Lock keyless handle entry system. I'm surprised the motor coach, like the 2019 Jayco, didn't come with one, but that's okay. This one cost me right at around $250. Wasn't sent to me by the company. This is no product endorsement. I'm just letting you know what it takes to get it into your motor coach. It's kind of difficult to have to carry around keys with you and a key fob if you're going to Springs, going whitewater rafting or canoeing or wherever you do. A lot of times keys get lost, and then what do? Because RVs aren't that easy to get into. Unless you're a professional thief, then apparently they're easy to get into. So what can I do to make the temptation a little less? Well, locking your doors is the key to start. So come along with me now. I'm going to go take this to the motor coach. We're going to try to install it. And it comes in an easy opening box.
Box, buddy. Got a box. What is it?
Did some research on YouTube and the internet. And this is what I found. So it comes in a priority mail package. I'm not sponsored by this company. I actually paid full price for it. And what I have is the RV Lock handle. Alright, the actual lock itself. Alright, that's heavy duty. That is not something light or lightweight. We got a bracket. Lots of bubble wrap to play with for later. It's like a kid at Christmas. There's the second key fob. And I'll tell you what, this is a heavy duty lock. This is not anything lightweight. Two keys attached. Alright, we're at the motorhome. Let me tell you what, we're going to keep that door closed. And let's start by taking off the existing lock. See what we got. The inside panel's off. Okay, I got a little piece. Alrighty, now get the screws out. I was able to use one of the old ones that I had put in the other lock, that I took out of the other lock. Then I dropped one somewhere in this gravel. It's hard to believe how hard it is for a screw to be found once it's in that gravel. All right, let's test this door now. good. 8 buttons, simultaneously press the lock. It worked! Yay! Thanks for joining Matei's on the Move, and join us next video where we're going to replace this mirror. This mirror where a guy in a landscaping trailer was going down I-75, correction, I-95, coming out of St. Augustine. I'm in the cruise control, center lane, 70 miles an hour. Normally I ride the right lane, but that lane was just terrible. Florida Department of Transportation needs to fix that lane. It's got blacktop worn out in the middle and you're in this rut constantly. So I moved to the middle lane, doing 70 on cruise control, all is good, and this dually comes up alongside of me pulling a big white box trailer with a Mississippi tag and just merges right into me. Fortunately, this steel arm here saved my RV. The side of his trailer was ripped up from front to back because as soon as he realized what he did, I saw diesel smoke, a big black puff, and off he went. I got his tag number. Florida Highway Patrol did an accident report, but who knows where that's going to lead. So, I ordered a new mirror. This one's pretty much shot, and then we're going to get that in and watch me replace that. So if you've never replaced a Ramco mirror, we can watch along as we do it. Again, thanks for joining us for the installation of the lock. See you next time when we tackle this little project.